Good day, everybody. Here's the hair. We're gonna cut short. Excuse me.
Oh, sorry, buddy.
There you go. And blend it on the top using regular clipper. Yeah. I'm glad it's warming up,
Oh, yeah.
and hopefully we'll continue to do that.
You know, it's funny, we had all that cold weather, and now, you watch, we might have one of the earliest breakups in a long time. You never know.
Yeah. Some of us are worried about the roof, so
Oh, yeah.
some of us shoveled it off.
Yeah, I
And
did.
they were asking me, I said, no, I don't do that anymore. Yes, I made it worse. Yeah. At the other house, I accidentally stepped on the wrong place.
You can put a hole in it?
Come on in! Hey. Have a seat. So it's fiberglass, so it's not very strong.
Did you have a roof leak after that?
Oh no, it's not a leak. I put a hole in there.
Did it come into
My
the?
whole foot.
Oh, wow.
So I said never again. After that, I never did it again.
I think I might have put a small hole in my roof, cleaning it off this year, because I've got a small drip. You know that.
My neighbor, I didn't pay much attention. I was just thinking, oh yeah, it's time to shovel again. And he does it every year. He's big.
Right.
He can carry a small blower up on the roof, you know.
Yeah.
And I saw him fixing it every year too. Every year.
Yeah.
He's calling the roof man to fix the roof. So
Wow.
I said, man, is not good.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I might.
So after that, I didn't do anymore.
Yeah,
Even if they were saying, "Hey, are you gonna get a shovel off the snow?" So
yeah. Right, right, right. Yeah.
it's not good. It's the worst thing that could happen,
Mhm.
which I think happens to some people. You fall down.
Oh yeah, totally, totally.
Yeah, you might drop on the berm of snow, but still get hurt.
Oh yeah, totally.
Sometimes falling on the water, deep water,
Mhm.
if you fall the wrong way, it hurts, right?
Yeah.
Hey, that's not the same thing.
Yep.
So I said, no more. No more shoveling snow.
Yeah. If I end up getting if that's what happened, and I got a roof leak up there this year, I'm gonna. Yeah. I don't know if I'll do it again next year.
Yeah. So after that, I told myself, I will hold myself
Right. Right.
from doing it, even if it sounds really nice what the other guys were saying.
Yeah.
Yes, that's them.
Yeah.
I had mine. I had mine bad experience about it.
Right. Right.
So
You put your whole foot through it, huh? Wow.
So no more shoveling. We'll do that. Our neighbor here, as you can see, the roof, those exhaust.
Yeah.
They're kind of low. They're
Right.
not as high. So if the freezing snow melt, yeah, it could follow the exhaust line.
Oh yeah.
So, and that's common sense. But if it's high, you don't know. The water is not gonna follow the exhaust line or in between. The moist barrier sometimes not in place properly.
Right.
It's not preventing the pool of water that melting ice develop.
I wonder if you get metal roof, if it would be easier, to clear. Like if you wouldn't have to worry as much metal roof. If you had a metal roof, you know what I mean? Like if you had a metal roof, would it be easier? Then you wouldn't have to worry.
And heat, electric heat.
Electric heat.
The problem is you have to put a little stopper on the edges so they don't slide so fast.
You can kill somebody, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because I've seen that in the commercial roof.
Yeah.
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 That's a very good idea.
Yeah.
Actually.
Those guys have got one down here on the right, just right down here from you. And I think it's a good roof.
If many of us, can afford to do that,
yeah,
that'll be nice.
Yeah, I know it. If I ever have to replace my roof, I might look into it.
but you can also imagine, the snow and freezing snow
Yeah.
that comes down,
Hurts
and all of a sudden it covers you while you're working on the side of the house.
Wow. Yeah.
But if you put something in there to
Keep it from
slow
going.
it down,
Yeah.
right, instead of sliding so fast,
Yeah.
it'll
It might. Yeah.
mhm,
Yeah.
it'll make it slower.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
you have to have that, otherwise you get surprised. Oops!
Yeah.
I forgot.
Yeah. Bang.
I have snow on top.
I've lived in a couple buildings that I was renting that had those metal roofs, and man, oh man, dude, when it comes off, you gotta, it makes the whole house shake. Pow. Jamie, do you think they even make a $1 million bill? Do you think they got one? I've never seen it, but I wonder.
Yeah, whoever will take it later on, they'll find out if it's mentioned. Yeah, it's like in the Philippines, the old piece of bill,
Yeah.
currencies, it become worthless.
Oh wow.
Not like other places where they become more valuable when they become collectible. Yeah.
Wow.
I don't know why they do it differently. It's over here, the old currencies. It has more value than the face value.
Oh yeah, totally. Yeah. Yeah.
It's like your coins.
Yeah, collector's
You'll
items.
be able to find an old coin.
Mm-hmm.
Even if it's only a dime, it might be much more valuable than just the dime.
Right. Yeah. Yeah.
So I said, well, that's good, but in the Philippines, no.
Interesting.
Yeah.
I still got to go find that stuff you put in there. I can never remember what it's called. It's like a tropical something, man.
Yeah.
I don't know if you, or maybe you don't got it today. I can't see it. looks good.
Let's look at the length.
Oh yeah, man. Oh, it looks great. Looks great.
Because then we're gonna put a line on like this.
Put a line on the edges.
Good.
Oh yeah. Totally. Yeah. Mhm.
Yes.
I didn't know you could grow those inside. I can't remember what these things are called. I think they're called hen and chicks or something like that. But I didn't know you could grow them in rocks like that.
I don't know where Mom got that.
Those are really cool, man. If you have them long enough, they'll actually grow flowers, and they're pretty. Yeah. I tried to put them in the garden one year and they didn't come back. They didn't like the frost. They said no to that.
Yeah, so shoveling snow, we have to be more careful.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
I'd rather, what I did here on the edges here, at the front, it's a heating cable.
A heating cable. Oh wow. All right.
It's easier for me to install that right than putting another roof.
Yeah. I'm
Uh,
gonna think about it.
you can ask YouTube. It tells you, should I or should I not?
Right.
Yeah, it's amazing what the internet now is telling the public, and it's free.
Yeah.
The consultation is free. Doesn't cost you a dime.
That's right.
Yeah, that's what I like.
Yeah, oh, it is. It's amazing. I think about that sometimes too.
Yeah.
And remember when we used to have to go to the library for things like that?
Exactly.
That's
why our
totally
low
different.
sock,
Yeah.
it was so big.
Yeah.
Now,
It's empty.
who's using it?
Nobody.
Library is on the phone.
I know it.
You know? It's amazing. And the good thing on YouTube is if you want to go over with it again,
Yeah.
go over with it again.
Yeah.
You know? You don't have limited to watch it only one time or twice. You can repeat it over and over.
Yeah.
And now husband and wife, they are happier. Because Rowena said, Manong means brother, big brother.
Yeah.
William used to fix, things around the house. But he got sick with Parkinson.
Yeah.
Cannot do it anymore. But what I do, I ask YouTube.
Yeah.
If YouTube shows me like anybody can do it, I
Yeah.
ask, William, do you have the tools like that? Yeah.
Okay.
Do you know how to do it? Oh, that's good. So
That's funny.
nice.
Oh yeah, totally. Yeah, you can find all kinds of stuff on YouTube.
And now I'm trying to help others also by putting you guys on video.
Yeah.
So whoever wants to follow.
Yeah, totally. Yeah, it's totally doable. I used to cut my own hair. I tried. You know, I could still do it somewhat, but oh yeah, it looks great, Jamie.
Okay, thanks.
It looks awesome.
Thank you.
Another great job. If you got any of that stuff or that product, I can't remember what it's called. Yeah, oh yeah, that's it right there.
I put that kind.
Yeah, that's the good stuff. I gotta find that stuff.
Yeah.
Heck yeah. Feels like Sunday, but it's Monday. Yeah. It's a good thing.
Yep, we got an extra day off.
Extra day. Can't complain with that.
Yep. Thank you for watching.
Oh.